Today in Benidorm, it's barely 18, 19 degrees, quite cold. I'm wearing a sweater, but I'm heading towards the Levante Beach, as up there, out there in the sun, it could be quite warm, surprisingly warm even. So I'm going to check that out. Afterwards, going to head up towards the Port Benidorm Hotel we've got over there, through the Calle de Londres, and ending up at the Bank, the newest bar that opened up last Friday up here in Benidorm, all the way in the Rincon. So I've got quite a long walk planned for today, quite interesting as well, lots of things to see. And before we're going to continue, please guys, don't forget, hit that like, really does help, and do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Benidorm updates and what is all going on. First up, we're starting here at the Grand National. It is still closed. We're already almost in March. The opening, wait, there's a sign in there. Oh, it says 1st of March. That explains why they're still closed. But yeah, as I've said, it's quite cold out there, especially in the shade. Want to see how it is in the sun. Because last few days, there has been quite some people on the beach, and the upcoming days as well. Temperatures thankfully will rise again towards 22, 23 degrees upcoming week. So promise to stay beautiful out there. Who would have guessed this? It's still winter, February. All those people. And it is surprisingly warm. As you can see, we've got the green flag out. Haven't seen that this year yet. So no wind at all. Really beautiful day out here. Let's check out those bars back there. Rica's, Stag and Pheasant. Before we're going to take a left up towards that new tower that's getting built over there. Checking out the progress. Really busy out there. It's a bit hazy in the distance. You can see the Grand Bali Hotel up there, but the rest is pretty unclear around it. What a day, beautiful out there. Okay, time to head on towards the Port Benidorm Hotel. Check out that progress, and then through the Calle de Londres back down again. If I go for it from this angle, it looks really busy if you zoom in. Got the Magic Rock Hotel back there. It's still closed, I believe, currently. But yeah, let's head on up towards here. The last few days I went to Kelp. I've been quite busy as well, but I went to Kelp. Up there it was really cold that day. It was around 14-15 degrees and the place was literally empty, nothing to video or anything. So we just had a meal and that was it. Gotta get back there when the weather improves, because it is a lovely place to visit, Kelp. It's quite a long drive because you have to go through the mountains. Oh, they have made some progress on here, on this wall. But it is really quiet down here now. Nothing to hear. I think no one is at work as well. You should think if this big of a hotel, everyone is at work even on Sundays because they want to have it open as soon as possible. But like this, they can't welcome any guests. Look at it. Everything is ripped out. Ceiling, electricity, literally everything. The only thing I can still see in there are the elevator shafts. Those are still the original ones. Very small ones they had. Always took a while before you could get up or down when I stayed there. Let's hope this new tower has some improvement on that because it's even taller. But less rooms. I think there are less rooms in there. Only about 4 on the front side. Lots of rubbish down here. They'll have to be taken out. On the pool area itself, there isn't that much going to change. I believe there's only going to be that small pool up there, that square one. It's going to be added, and this one they have already. Let's see if they have started construction on that yet, because that is the final thing they can start on. First they have to do the parking garage, which is going underneath it. They have made some real progress up here. I think there's going to be a side entrance here as well. Stairs are already in place. And then this will be the area above where the new pool will be. Big parking space underneath. Really efficient of them. But also with limited space. The tower was built on a spot where usually parking was, I believe. So now they have to go for the parking elsewhere, and that is underneath. We need to do an in-depth tour soon of this area. What is all happening. And it's worth keeping an eye out for this hotel. I believe it's going to open the 1st of June. At least that's the planning. But it always has really good offers. It's just literally a 2-minute walk from the beach. If you head down that way, there you got Vincent's Corner Pub. But if you head down that way, then you are at the strip literally in, 2-3 minutes. Really fast. Excellent location on the side of Benidorm. But for Old Town, if you want to head there, for the Old Town, it's quite far out. That is about a 20-minute walk at least. But you can always take the bus. The Rialto Hotel. I think it's still closed for off-season. Yeah, still work being done. But they did put up the brand new side covering up. It looks much better. They did this at the Calypso as well. The same one, but then in blue. Looks really good. And then we've arrived at the Calle de Londres. All the way up here. There's the Mythica. Really good restaurant. Gotta visit it if you're here. It's staying in this corner. There used to be a bit further down that way, towards the Melia Hotel. They used to be over there. Now they've switched places towards this venue. Let's head down. We got Uncle Ron's, I believe, is down here. This place is still empty. €1 pints. And quite busy in there. Quite a lot of people. but very dark. But that probably has to do with it being the place in the shade currently. Oh, this is a fine offer. I'm quite hungry. Could do this, a burger and a pint for just £5. And Charlie's Place. New bar out here. Really busy on that terrace. Lovely out in the sun. Oh, gotta be quick. Someone needs to pass. On the opposite, you got Pie and Mash, and a bit further down the road, some Italian restaurants, 24/7 supermarkets, and more.
You blogging?
Yeah.
I think I recognise you on YouTube.
Ah.
How are we doing?
Hi.
You alright?
Michael.
Michael, yeah, recognise
Yeah.
you.
Enjoying Benidorm?
Oh, loving it.
Yeah.
Loving the pound drinks at Uncle Ron's.
Oh, they're cheap there, man.
Cheap,
One
they're not
euro.
bad, I know.
But it's hard to find those prices nowadays.
I know, you don't get back home in England at that price.
Not where I'm from as well, from the Netherlands. No way, man.
Is it expensive in Netherlands? Yeah.
Yeah, around €6 for a pint.
£7 in Britain.
Oh, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
anyway.
meeting you.
See you later, pal.
Enjoy your holiday. There we go. Got Stars Bar. Another place lovely to sit at during this time of year. There isn't any wind, but if there was any, this was perfect for enjoying your drinks. Then we are at the KFC. A fun fact, that bucket up there used to be round. It fell off last year before the winter. Now they've replaced it with this one. It isn't round anymore, it's more circular, how do you call it? But they have replaced it with something new. Okay, up there is the bank, so let's check that one out. Really exciting for that. As well, if you're coming here and you want to head towards the supermarket, those are closed on Sundays still. They won't open again for 7 days a week until the real season kicks in. First we got the red door, same owners, completely different style, especially at night. This is more of a bar, pub, right up here at the bank. This is more of a club style at night. During daytime, lovely to sit at. Quite some space in the sun. Really big screen there on the left. And they have 2 of those, I believe. Drink prices are the same as they have at all their venues. I believe it's 2 pints for £3.50. And the same deals you get everywhere. The second screen is not yet in place. Will happen soon, probably. Really rushing to get this place open, of course. Beautiful weather out. Really a lot of people up there. So one of the things I usually don't do is filming inside, but because this is a new place, I've went in, asked permission, because you do want that when you head inside somewhere or bar. But yeah, they were kind enough to let me film inside, so let's give you guys a tour of the inside. Really nice, air conditioned everything. Currently no music, but that is of course because everyone's watching the game up there. Toilets are here on the right. And there is the vault. Unfortunately, it's only for decoration, of course. It's not the place where they keep the money. Awesome atmosphere, and a very big bar they have on the left. So yeah, awesome new location right up here. Big new bar, very popular. And the other one, as you could see at the red door, was doing still quite well. On the opposite, you've got the green door, one of them as well. Same owners, still very popular, so definitely needed some extra capacity. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget liking it, do subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.